What is up, everybody? It is B-Zilla back with another video. Today, here's one of the map collaborations that I made, and it's really cool. And so this is it, Chapter 2, Season 9. The map has over-corrupted, and the Cube Queen has taken over the map. Some locations like Lazy Lake and Slurpy Swamp. Let's hope the 7 will save the 0 point. Now, let me show you some of the locations. We have the last survivors. The shark has been rearranged, and yeah. We also have Corrupted Castle, Sweaty Cubes, Holly Hatchery has returned, Sleeping Woods, Slurpy Destruction, and then let's see, where's Misty Meadows? The Last Livers, Bally Corner, The Loopers, Imagine, Corny Cubes, Blevin Docks, and Pleasant Harp, QB Stronghold, Spacey Cliffs, Steamy Takeover. And yeah. See what I meant about, and there's the Cubes Domain and QB Burbs. And yeah, and also Stark Industries has returned, except a new island of Stark Industries has returned to help the 0 point reclaim their destiny. So these are all the locations right now, but now what we're going to do is check out what Chapter 1, Season 11 would look like. Lava erupts. So it says, the map has been corrupted with lava and the 0 points have exposed again. So we need help to make the 0 point free. So we got a lot of locations this time on the map. Got Tilted Towers, Pleasant Park, a lot of same locations. Greasy Grove's still a location. And yeah. Alright guys, so yeah. Alright, so here's the map. It's really cool. And guys, I'm going to be soon making a Chapter 2 Season 10 map, which is, I'm going to be working on that soon. And I hope you like this video. Comment down below what was your favorite part. Bye.